All right, internet, what's going on? So what I want to talk to you about today is one single trick that I've started doing probably in the last 4 to 6 months that's helped me utilize AI more often and more frequently and get more out of it. And that simple trick is using dictation. Now, dictation is basically speaking out loud what you want to say, and that converts to text. So it's speech to text. And why does this work? Why is it so useful? Well, if I could sum it up into a simple kind of sentence, is we speak faster than we write, and we read faster than we listen. And if I put those together, then I can utilize AI more effectively and efficiently. Now, why is it okay to ramble to AI? Well, I think about this in two ways. So we have speaking and writing. That's a really bad W. Writing. All right. And writing looks kind of like this. So it's very jagged. You get to the end goal, but it's very jagged. And each one of these edges, each one of these jagged edges is editing. So you could be writing a document, an email, or something else. And when you're doing that, you're always editing, and it takes you a while to get to the end state. Now, when you're speaking, you tend to do this, as I'm doing right now. And you're rambling, right? And as you ramble, it's okay with AI because AI actually gets all of the rambling out of it and it structures it in a way that it understands what you're trying to achieve and it does it very effectively. So we can ramble to our generative AI models and it usually picks up what we want. And I've done this through searching for questions. I've been doing it for writing. I've been doing it for actually building applications as well. So all types of things I've utilized this for. Now, there's different ways we can do this. So there's things baked into operating systems. So if you're using Windows, if you do, I think the window key H, you can have the baked in operating system dictation tool they provide. If you're in a Mac, you can set up different hotkeys, and I'll show you how to do that here really quick. So if you go to dictation, it goes to the settings here. You scroll down to the bottom, you have dictation here, you turn it on. After you turn it on, you can set the microphone, you can set the hotkey. Mine's just a microphone hotkey. Once you've done that, you select it and then it pulls it out. I'm not going to do it here because I tested this previously and it really messes with the audio for the video, so I'm not going to do it for that one. But you also have it on your phone. And this is actually the first thing that I started doing dictation with, which is the mobile app. So if you're in the mobile app here, at the very bottom right-hand corner, you can see that there's a little microphone. And if I can highlight it here, oh, it's gone. Basically down here where I was having the circle, there's a microphone. And if you use that microphone, it actually converts your speech to text, and it does it very, very good, very, very well. And I've done this in different types of surroundings, so in loud cityscapes, and I've even done it at like concert settings and bars, etc. And by doing this, it picks it up every single time. I'm very impressed by how well the dictation is inside of the app for ChatGPT. So for the mobile app, it's available. For the website, it's not, as you can see, but that's okay because you can use the operating system dictation tools you have for free. Or if you're really excited about this process, there's a specific tool I've heard other people use and they've bought subscription for it. And you can use a free version as well. So it's called WhisperFlow. And WhisperFlow does the same thing everything else does, but it does it in all operating systems and it does it pretty well as well. So the free one, you get 2,000 words per week. And I'll give you an example of what this looks like because it doesn't mess up the audio. So if I speak right now, I'm speaking and talking to the video and to you, and I'm going to see what happens. Okay, cool. So it dictated it very well. It picked up everything I stated. So this is the trick I use, and this is why I think it's useful. And if you like this, then feel free to subscribe to my newsletter where we talk about all kinds of AI tips and tricks. And you should see the link somewhere below. See you around next time.